Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to add another user on your system. Let's say you want to make another user on your system and that should be administrator. So in this video I will show you how you can make another administrator on your computer. First of all, what you need to check is you should already log in with the administrator account. Okay, and if not, then you can just log in with that user and then go to settings here, then go to accounts, and in order to add another user just click on other users, then click on add account, and in Windows Pro Edition you should get options like this, but in other windows like the Home Edition you should able to get another pop-up on your computer. Tick the box user password never expire, then click on create, and once it is created just double click on that, go to member tab and just type here administrator, look for the options here, advanced, find, simply choose the administrators group here, then click on OK, and now it is under administrator, apply, and then simply OK. Now log in with that user which has the admin privileges. So how you can also check it, let me show you. Just sign out with your user, log in with that user which you just created, now simply log in with that user, and first you can try to open CMD as admin, and once you are able to open the CMD as admin here, see system 32, so you are successfully made a user and that has admin privileges on your computer. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.